We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, fighting to hold support. And in today's video, we're going to break down a couple stocks, DJT, and also PLTR and SMCI. We're going to break down all those charts. Now, in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, ranging in this tight spot of 602 to 608, and this has been a tight consolidation for the last several days and weeks. And then the news we're going to take over and look at is SMCI, some of its lineup here, how it ended up where it is today. You could see some of these summaries, right, of what was going on with the possible delisting and who it was going to go ahead and get replaced by. And in this timeline, it was talking about MicroStrategy or PLTR Palantir. Now, you have here the update that Supermicro stock has officially been removed from the NASDAQ 100 index just 5 months after its initial inclusion. Now, this news sent the stock plummeting. Now, we're going to look at those charts as well and look at some supports and resistance. There could still be some value in this stock, but the speculation is it has destroyed the value in the short term, and it's going to have to find a support, right? And that's why we're going to break down these charts. So when we come over here to the SPY, we could see here a full transition on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bear indicator here in the volatility of the 30-minute. And when we zoom out, we can see how much of the chop the bulls and bears have been fighting here to dominate. Now it's back under a bull indicator in the morning at around 604.60 level, and now a bear indicator has dominated over the chart and confirmed at 606.84. So if outflows continue and the support levels are tested, it is something to not ignore, because when you zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, there's no bear indicator just yet. So that could possibly be volatility in the 30-minute, and this bull indicator can continue to dominate from the 605.50 level. So something to not ignore here on the SPY. Now, the first support level I'll be watching, if this continues to the downside in the bigger picture, the bear indicator on the 30-minute dominates, the bear indicator on the 1 hour dominates, and in the volatility of the 15-minute, it continues with weakness. The first support is 605. Then below that comes 603.50, and then I'll be watching 602 to the upside. If inflows can continue to pick up, that bull indicator on the 1 hour continues to hold true and rolls over and cancels out the 15-minute and 30-minute. The strength that I'll be looking for here with these bull indicators and first resistance to test and break will be 607.50, and then above that comes 609. to the 610 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside. Now, let's go ahead and take a look here at SMCI, their charts here, and it's under a bear indicator since way up here at 45.67. Some of the highest levels that we've seen it reach since the run, as things were looking promising and there was a chance to not get delisted, right? And then all of a sudden things have changed and the announcements have came that it may get delisted, and now it is proceeding, right? You could see it here, how it's actually starting to fall, because it says here super microcomputer shares fall ahead of removal from the NASDAQ 100. Now, here it is back under a bull indicator at 32.53, and it's going to be crucial for the first resistance of $36 to get broken through to justify any further move to the upside. And this is based off the 1 hour. The 30-minute is under a bull indicator as well. And then above $36 comes 39. So those are the resistance levels I'll be watching if these bull indicators hold. Now, if a bear indicator pops up to cancel these two bull indicators on the 30-minute and 1 hour, well, then the first support is $32, and then comes 30 to the $28 level. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside with SMCI, super microcomputer stock. Now, let's go ahead and pull up DJT. Now, there's a lot of people watching this stock. You also had here President Trump, right, going ahead and being the one to ring the bell at the New York Stock Exchange, and you could see it running up leading up to this moment. So you also have news coming out such as how it states here, GameStop, Chewy, and DJT stock hit at a meme revival. Here's why. So there's a lot of speculation and based off these charts of possible short squeezes, as well as there's been a lot of shorts piling up way before the run up, and now as it ran up, lots of shorts piling up here after the double rejection at the $50 level, and it's slowly coming right back up. Now it's under a bull indicator here on the 1 hour, and you also have here Democratic congressman, right, bought DJT stock after the 2024 election, months after stating that's Donald Trump unfit to serve. And that same Democratic congressman went ahead and bought stock. That says something. If that person was making such statements, whether it's because of political views or their own opinions, well, their actions are saying something different. And they're going ahead and investing their money into these positions. And they state here some of the representatives disclosed transactions after December 10th. And here it is. They bought about 1,000 to 15,000 and sold 1,000 to 15,000. So I guess they had a position already before and they bought some more. So lots of different interesting things going on here within these movements. And some stocks here are not to be a surprise, such as Microsoft, Amazon, and going ahead and having also Tesla and Nvidia in that list. But Trump Media and Technology is there. So here we are with these levels to not ignore. On the 1 hour, there's a bull indicator here since $34. It's coming up to test a key resistance where things slowed down before popping back up to $53. And that's up here near $40, $39 to $40 area. That's going to be a critical resistance. If that gets broken through, I'll be watching $42. Now, if bear indicators start to pop up on the 30-minute or 15-minute within the volatility, which right now there's a bull indicator here on the 30-minute at 36.40, the first support I'll be watching is 36.50. Then below that is $35, and then comes the $34 area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside on Trump Media Technology Group, DJT stock. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this, and also these headlines of this article and showing there the proof and the actions of somebody stating one thing and an opinion or view, but their actions also showing something different. So I found that very interesting. Wanted to share with you guys. It's a recent article from earlier a few days ago, and it was something that stood out to me. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And as always, guys, to gain that clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below. Join the community. Get connected to 42 Vision. And let's make some money Thank you guys so much for watching.